Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. First of all, I want to say that the Spotify app has been updated. So the shuffle button is not as it was before. Now we can see both shuffle button and play button together. Open a Spotify app. Then you can go to your library or click any song in the home page. Here you can find this icon in here. Now you need to click this green button to shuffle and play it. If you want to turn off shuffle, you can click this button again. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.